Ready?
Ready?
What's up, y'all? Back to the Real Talk. Real Talk. This is Real Talk, Small Talk. I know it's confusing. The school is called Real Talk, okay? The whole company is called Real Talk. Real Talk. That's what black people say when they say word, or when they say true, or everything you say is real from your heart. We say Real Talk. All right? So the school is called Real Talk. Everything is Real Talk. Even my family is like, yeah, I love your small talk. Your good talk school is good. I'm like, no, it's not good talk or small talk. It's Real Talk. All right, so let's get ready. All right, today, Katrina is going to ask me questions. I got no questions. If I got a question, I will ask her. But this time, who knows? Who knows what's gonna happen? All right, we're trying to keep it freestyle. So let's do it. How you doing?
Good, and you?
Everything is good with me. It's always good with me. Go through trials and tribulations like anybody else, but it is what it is. So what's up? What questions you got?
Okay, the first would be if it would be the last day of your life, you know it for sure.
Last day of my life for sure.
Yeah, you know, like somehow.
Okay.
Okay, so what meal would you have? Like, so you have on like the whole day, right? So you can have like breakfast, lunch, dinner. What would you pick? It's quite a difficult question, I think.
Am I?
So what you love that much so that
What
you
food?
would enjoy? Yeah, what food? Yeah.
Or the question is my last day because I know I'm dying, or because I'm wanting to
It
get
doesn't
killed?
matter.
Am I
It
gonna be
doesn't
killed?
matter. It doesn't matter. I mean,
It kinda matters.
You just like, you know, like this is the last meal you can have. What would you
Okay,
get?
it only matters on this purpose. If it's because somebody is trying to kill me, then my last meal will be the flesh of their family. Okay. Other than that, because I'll be like, nah, I want to eat your children. How's that? You know what I'm saying? But no, really, it's funny. I like really good food.
So what's your
I
favorite?
enjoy cooking. I don't eat pork. I eat beef if I go to the States. Unless it's the States on some touristy thing, I don't really eat beef. So I would say something that I can rarely get, which is funny. In Japan, you can't get turkey, so some kind of turkey meal. It could be turkey bacon, a turkey sandwich, turkey something, turkey marinade, whatever. I have to order turkey over here, and it's quite pricey. So a turkey something. If it's my last meal, I'm not really going to be thinking about the food that much. But if I could eat, it'd probably be some turkey something. You know? What about you?
When I came to Japan, I was surprised how many different dishes they have here,
Yeah.
and I fall in love almost with all dishes. So I really cannot say what food. When a Japanese ask me like what you don't like, I cannot say what I don't like. Like I like everything.
Can you eat uni? Uni is what's it in English? The spiky ball, sea urchins.
Yeah, sea urchin.
Can
Yeah,
you eat that?
Yeah.
I can't even touch it. I don't know what animal that is. What, like, does it have eyes? No. I looked it up.
Just like the ball.
It's the ball with the spice coming out.
Yeah.
And they say that it doesn't have any real eyes, just sensors, and it just has a mouth on the top
Oh, I didn't know that.
and an asshole at the bottom. So it just rolls around the seafloor, you know, eating
It's on shit.
eating shit, just sucking it in like a vacuum,
Yeah, that's funny.
and then pooping it out the other side. And to me, I just can't eat nothing like that. And then when you cut it open, if you've seen uni, it's like this orange.
Yeah.
you
That's
know.
what they eat. Basically,
That's all there is to eat. There's no bones or nothing. There's no organs. So I gotta know at least what animal it is. If it's an animal, it's so in between, you know. But yeah. Okay.
So
Okay.
about the food.
What food do you like though? What is your food though?
So like, but all Japanese food for me is very moody. I mean, like I like tempura a lot. But-
Well, not even Japanese food. What food hits you?
So yeah, but I was like, I'm explaining like what I was like when I thought about this question. Why?
Oh, okay.
I'm like, so
Okay.
what I love so badly that I would choose as my last meal. And here comes Italy. So I would have like pasta for dinner and pizza for lunch.
Pasta for dinner. That's 2 meals though. You said
No, I said no. Yeah, I said like it can be the whole day. So,
Oh, okay. I didn't listen to the whole details.
yeah, the whole day. And
Oh
bread.
man, if it's that, then I got to put Italian in there.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this: Italians are the kings of general cooking.
That's right. Yeah.
Italians or Chinese.
And you will never get tired because pastas are so many. Like every day
Right.
you can
Lasagna,
do the new, yeah.
ravioli.
And like the sauces, so like you can do like tomato today, tomorrow oil, and like every day is like new dish.
That's true. But Indian food gets like that. You have to get used to Indian food. But if you like Indian food, it works like that. More spices, more flavors, more choices. You know, Japanese, there is no choice. There is no flavor and there is no spice. Japanese food tastes, or they try to make it taste as much like the original taste as it is. So if you want tuna, maguro, is what the Japanese call it. Raw maguro tastes like maguro. You altering the flavor too much actually makes it taste bad, right? Most Japanese foods is trying your best not to alter the taste too much,
Yeah,
just to
that's
emphasize
true,
the
yeah,
taste.
it's
So they have a
natural,
thing called what is it? Sashi susei so. Never heard of that? Sashi susei so. Sa is sato, which is sugar.
Yeah, I heard this. I think. Yeah.
She is shio. Su is su, vinegar.
Vinegar, yeah.
And so is like miso. And there's another word for so actually, but
Soy sauce? No.
no,
Sure.
like a miso word, but it's like an old word. But it's sugar, shio, sugar, salt, vinegar, and miso is what they usually use for anything. And then depending on what you're cooking, depends on how much of which one they use.
But how about mirin and soy sauce?
Well, for example, mirin is almost like a soul. It's almost like a miso.
Okay.
Soy sauce is close to shio. So
that's why. Okay.
Think of it like the
This concept.
4 elements,
yeah.
right? It's the 4 elements to how they cook their food. But it's also, when they say sashi shiso or whatever they call it, they're basically saying we know that with a foreign tongue, there's not too many flavors. We only have a couple, and it's like almost like a joke how they say it. You know, like, oh, you don't like the taste? Oh yes, it's always sashi shiso. You know.
No, I've never heard that.
Yeah. Okay, but yeah, I'll put a Japanese meal in there, man. I definitely love sashimi. If it's fish, I can do cuttlefish. Cuttlefish is squid. Is there another cuttlefish? Oh, octopus. You know, I don't really deal with a lot of raw cuttlefish. I like something I can bite through. So, raw salmon, raw hamachi, which is yellowtail, raw any fish is delicious. I might even put that in. If I can get 3 meals for the day,
that's right. Yeah.
I put 1 Japanese meal in there for sure.
And that's about me. Yeah, I would get Japanese breakfast.
What's the Japanese breakfast?
I mean, like when you
the
go.
fish and the rice.
No, it's like usually like when you go to ryokan or like,
Yeah.
which is like hotel, traditional Japanese one, you get like the whole set.
Okay, yeah.
That's perfect, like everything's there. But I would replace rice because they always offer you the white rice.
So what do you want then instead of rice?
The rice which you make.
Your own rice?
No, I mean like I would like that this chia seed which.
Oh,
you
the rice that
put-
I make.
Yeah,
Okay.
this chia seed.
I put chia seed in my rice. Yeah,
Yeah,
it makes it
like-
mochi mochi.
yeah, this
What's
is
mochi
so
mochi
cool.
is a little, I don't know, chewy. It makes it chewier. All right. I put chewy seed in your white rice. I'm giving away all my secrets right now. I don't want to do that. All right. So okay, cool. That was a good question. Next question.